Today, first grader, we're gonna talk about the fruit of the Spirit. Okay? Now, there are a lot of fruit of the Spirit we can talk about. But for this week, we're gonna just talk five and one day at a time. Okay? So there is joy, there is love, there is peace, there is trustworthy, there is kindness, there is obedience, and much, much more. Okay? So today we're gonna talk about the fruit of the Spirit, specifically about joy. Okay? What is joy? They are like similar to being happy, right? But joy is different feeling when we talk about the joy of knowing Jesus, the joy that the blessing that God is to give it to us. It's not something that you are only happy, but it's a joy that overwhelming that comes out from your heart, and that is joy. So the joy in the Bible is Jesus Christ. So Jesus wants us to know that we have joy if you believe in Him. If you trust in Him, then the joy that God has got to you is overwhelming, overflowing. And that's what God wants to know. So I'm going to show you a little illustration how that joy overflow if it is the joy that from Jesus that gives to us. I'm going to show you. Here in front of me, boys and girls, these are representing of the stuff that we think if we have them, it gives us joy. So this is you and me, okay? Or this is us. Okay? So this is us. This is represent like our hearts. This is represent our body. Okay. And here we think that if we have this, if we have friends, represent friends, we think that, if we have all the friends we have in the world, then we will be joyful. Also, sometimes we think, oh, I wish that I have nice clothes. I wish that I have a brand new clothes. I wish that I have plenty clothes that I can change every day, because that's what we are always thinking of. And this one, boys and girls, represent toys. Yeah. You always, oh, I want this. If you, mom, please, mom, if you buy me toys, I'll be happy. That would be so much joy in my heart. So, and this one, boys and girls, is Jesus. Now, let's see how Jesus fills us with joy. So, we're going to start with this. See? So, you're going to ask your mom to buy your clothes, right? Brand new clothes. New clothes. Because your clothes, you wear that already several times. So mom buy new clothes. Oh, buy. Mom goes to the shopping. Mom goes to the mall and take you and choose all the clothes that you want. So your mom buy it for you. So you came home and you wear that clothes the next day. So you have that clothes, brand new clothes in your cabinet. But still, it overdid the joy that you have for a new clothes. It's overflow from your heart. No, did not. That is not enough. It did not. Because what happened, the clothes, boys and girls, what happened after several years, what's going to happen, you outgrow. It wouldn't fit you no more. Or sometimes it get ripped. Or sometimes it gets really dirty. So if it's really dirty, what you feel? You feel sad, right? Because your clothes got dirty. So you don't have that joy anymore. The joy that you're getting for a new clothes, boys and girls, is very temporary. Ooh, so you think of something. So maybe you're thinking, oh, how about if I'm gonna have friends? I'm gonna make a new friends, because probably if I have a new friends, that makes me overwhelmed with my joy. So you start looking for friends. Okay? So your friends are very nice, beginning, but the friends doesn't stay. So this is your friends. Oh, it did not overflow your heart, boys and girls, with joy. Because think about friends you grew up. They go to college. You go to different college or high school. They move places. They live somewhere else. And soon you don't have contact with your friends. So that is also temporary types of joy. That is not going to fill your heart. Okay? So we'll see. So this, the clothes doesn't fill you up with joy. The friends doesn't fill you up because it's on temporary. And then so you're looking for something. Oh, this time you are thinking of a very, very good, nice toy. Very expensive. You ask your mom, even though your mom has no money, even though your mom said, no, we cannot afford it. Oh boy, mom, please, please, mom, please, if you're gonna buy that for me, oh, that would be too much joy in my heart. Wow. Sometimes mom has to do it for you because sometimes mom wants us to be happy, right? Just to buy you toys. And sometimes they don't because sometimes they really, really are tight about money, right? And you don't deserve it sometimes. But let's say you deserve the toys, right? Because you said that if you're gonna have the toys, you'll be the most joyful person in the world. So your mom bought it for you. You take it home. You take that home toys and you start playing with toys. So you have joy in your heart. But think about that. That joy did not last. It's only temporary again. Because the toys, after so many years or so many times, it's not even like a month sometime, they start to break apart. You lose pieces. So you cannot anymore build anything because you lose pieces. And you start getting heartbroken, disappointing because you cannot find the pieces that you want. Or sometimes it got thrown in the trash can. So the pieces is not complete. So your joy is missing now in your heart. But the joy that we are getting from Jesus, boys and girls, it's totally different. Now remember, let's see what's gonna happen if the joy that Jesus is giving to us is totally different than any joys that we just explained. Now we'll see if this joy that from Jesus can overflow our hearts. You watch. Yes, this is the joy that Jesus gave it to us that can fill, overflow our heart. And this joy, boys and girls, never, never gonna leave you. This joy, boys and girls, will overflow. It's not like other stuff that it did not give joy at all to you. Just maybe for a spare of a moment. But this overwhelming joy is only from Jesus. Remember, boys and girls, only Jesus can overflow our hearts with joy. Nothing else compare than the joy that from Jesus Christ. So just trust in Him, believe in Him, and accept God. Then the joy that you will have will be forever.